guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Muskan and I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video I'm gonna review about Blue Heaven Sketch eyeliner. So let's get started with this video. So guys, first let's talk about its packaging. This is how it looks. You can see this baby pink color and it retails for 150 rupees, which is quite affordable. And also I bought this for 105 or 115 rupees from Purple app, and you can find it everywhere. You can buy this from Amazon and Flipkart, and also you can buy this from your nearby stores as well, because Blue Heaven brand is very common and very famous brand, so you can find it everywhere, I believe. And the shelf life is for 3 years, which is amazing. And it retails for 150 rupees, and it claims that it is smudge proof and water resistant, but I don't think it is water resistant, because it will stay for a good amount of time. But if you're rubbing your eyes, if you have a habit of rubbing your eyes, then I don't think it will stay for a good amount of time. So it is long lasting only when if you're not touching your eyes, okay, just in that case. So, and this is made in India, which is great. And the net quantity is 1.0 ml, which is more than like Maybelline Sketch eyeliner. So yeah, that's about it. Now let me talk about its consistency. And so guys, let me talk about its packaging. So this is how it looks. It comes with a very basic packaging, nothing fancy at all. So it comes with this black packaging, and it looks like a sketch pen, and the cap is really good, tight and secure, so you can carry it anywhere if you're going. So it is travel friendly. You can put it in your purse or in your pocket, and you can just good to go. So it is quite tight and sturdy, so as you can see, but the applicator is not that great. As you can see, this is a quite big applicator, but this is very stiff, because it's not something that glides on very easily or very smoothly. It can tug your eyes while applying. You can see this in the demo part. So yeah, this is how it is looking. So now let me show you its pigmentation. So this is how it looks. Sorry for this thing. So yeah, let me show you here. So this is how it is looking. So this is jet black, and I just applied it for the once, and you can see the pigmentation in one stroke. So this is quite pigmented, and the consistency of this is like same eyeliners like Maybelline and all. So this is how it looks. So guys, that's pretty much it for today's video, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel, and please support me. And don't forget to hit that notification bell icon, so that whenever I post a new video, you can just go and check that out. And I'll be back with another video very soon. So yes, bye, take care.